Welcome to Cooking Life with Des. Andito na naman po ang inyong cook na mayabang ngunit hindi mayaman. Today magluluto tayo ng yellow dal tadka. We need 3/4 glass of yellow dal, 3/4 glass of orange dal. We will mix them both, then wash it nicely. Here I wash them 3 times. After washing, add water. Water should be more than half of the dish or cooking pot because this dal needs a lot of time to be cooked or you need to boil it long unless you are using pressure cooker. And here, actually it takes 1 to 2. Now, let us add water. Water should be more than half of the cooking pot. This needs a lot of time to be cooked, so we need a lot of water as well. And cook it in a medium fire. Let it boil, but avoid covering it full to avoid also overflowing of the water. Then time to time, you have to mix it. And if you want, you can remove also this type of bubbles, but it's optional. Let it boil in a medium fire and cover it, but just like this. Never ever cover it full or else all the water will come out. This one, I already cooked it in 1 hour. And if you notice, the water is now less and it looks almost cooked. But this one is not yet cooked. We have to boil it again for another 30 to 45 or 1 hour until the water got more or less and it's cooked. Now, let us start to fry 1 small piece of onion. Cut it in a thin slice. Then let us fry it until it becomes golden in color. While frying the onion, let us check the dal. Now, as you can see, I already cooked it actually for more than an hour. And now, you can see that the water got more or less and the dal got more sticky. I think we just need 10 more minutes for this to be done. Let's check the onion. Now the onion starts to get brown, but we have to wait more until it becomes like this. Now it's done. Turn off the fire, and the dal is also done. Now you can see that there is no water at all, and we will be adding 5 pieces of green chili, but it's up to you. Then add the fried onion on top of it and then garnish it with garam masala. Garam masala is a cumin seeds or powder with black pepper. Now it's done. Turn off the fire and ready for serving. Thank you so much for watching, and if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.